vanhu vaiva vachikomenda zvakasiyana-siyana pamusoro pepresence yaVP Constantino Chiwenga kuTanzania part inauguration yaSamia Suluhu Hassan. Panguva inoitona vanhu vauya vachipindura zvakasiyana-siyana. Aiwa zvashamisa vanhu zvinatsoratidza kuti vanhu vanonyatsokuziva kuti macolors ageneral akaita sei. Subscribe, like, on the bell icon. Isaac Makomicha mudanyura achiti, listen Zimbabweans, VP Chiwenga is in Tanzania because the duties of the VP includes representing the president in the country at official events, meetings, and inaugurations. Whatever happened, bad or good, during my elections in Tanzania, VP havana anything pazviri. Tobida my comments, vanomuda chikwenda vachiti, but you were saying he did not attend Sona because he is his own man. Why did he not refuse like he did for Sona? Mumwe munhu aya akakweshena. Isaac Makomicha anouya chimpindura achiti ndiani akadaro. Mwanopinda vachiti, if general is in Tanzania for swearing in of Suluhu, then that's bad because it's just sanitized a shan election. He should not have attended. He must stand firm for what is right always. But then we are not amused. This is the same general who unleashed soldiers on civilians in the 2008 elections. Marubidanyura achiti, who was responsible for the August 2018 killings? Who was responsible for the operation Akudzokwi in Marangi? Mwanopinda achiti, who was acting president when soldiers shot and killed protesters in January 2019? Mwanopinda achiti, your brain is like a bottomless bucket. Even if we put a desert full of sand, it will remain empty. In diplomacy, most you don't just attend events because attending is an endorsement and staying away is a protest. Wanopindanyura chiti, wow, with protesters like this, who needs enemies? Because you chose the person first. You bend the principles to suit the situation. By putting principles second, you lose the ability to hold your men to account. Tomashikwana mudai togone vanhu pamusoro aiwa pechitiko chekuti VP vanonoatenda aiwa the inauguration yeTanzania. Pena comment section medu uzafunguro aim out kudai pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.